Good day and welcome back to the channel. So you would have become accustomed to seeing me mowing this lawn using the reel mower, but the reel mower recently suffered damage. So the intermediate drive gear was broken recently, and that has rendered the reel mower to be not operational at the moment. And as a result, I want to maintain the consistency of mowing the lawn. So I have opted to use the rotary scissors. Now you might ask, why use the rotary scissors as opposed to using a string trimmer or the rotary mower? Now, my reason for using the rotary scissors is because I want to maintain that scissors-like mow that the reel mower actually does. Now, the rotary scissors comes closest to replicating what the reel mower does. So that really is my reason for using the rotary scissors. So for those who may not be familiar with what is a rotary scissors, it basically uses multiple small blades, and the blades are arranged around a rotating disc. So instead of one large blade just striking the grass, as is the case with the rotary mower, the blades of the rotary scissors, it cuts the grass in a way that closely resembles a scissors-like cut. Now, I am by no means claiming that this is a replacement for the reel mower, because there is nothing that truly replaces or replicates the quality of the mow that you get from a reel mower. However, among the alternatives I have available to me at this point in time, the rotary scissors is the one that comes the closest to replicating the quality of the reel mower. And as you can see, the rotary scissors is actually doing a great job. Now, looking at the results, I am actually quite pleased. The lawn has a clean appearance, the height remains consistent, and most importantly, I have been able to maintain my regular mowing schedule. Now, today's video is a reminder that lawn care isn't always about having the perfect equipment at all times. Sometimes equipment breaks down and it will need repairing or replacement of parts. So the important thing is to learn to adapt and just continue to give the lawn exactly what it deserves. So I will go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.